Good morning. I'm from Lokmanya Tilak School. Neharika, tell me, did you do exercise today? And pray Gayatri month? Okay. Chapter number 5, Adaptation in Plants. This chapter we have started. Adaptation in plant, parasitic plant, uh, kinds of terrestrial plants, desert. वी हैव रेड डेजर्ट डेजर्ट के बारे में पढ़ा था, वहाँ कैसे प्लांट रहते हैं. कैक्टस प्लांट वहाँ का सबसे मेन प्लांट है. डेट पाम प्लांट्स ऑल्सो फाइंड इन डेजर्ट. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ हिल्स. द टेम्परेचर इन हिल्स इज कोल्ड. हिल्स का जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो कोल्ड रहता है. इन विंटर इट बिकम वेरी कोल्ड and there is snowfall in some area. In hilly area in winter it become very cold and there is snowfall in this area. Tree that grow in the hill have adapted themselves to survive in this condition. जो वहाँ की trees होती हैं they adapt their climate to survive in this cold. Pine, fir, cypress and cedar are example of the tree found in hilly areas. Pine tree have a conical shape. Okay, these are trees we find in a hilly area. The conical shape of pine tree help the snow to slip off its branches. जो पाम ट्री होती हैं उसकी जो कॉनिकल शेप लीव्स होती हैं वो हेल्प करती हैं टू स्लिप द स्नो slip off its branches. The leaves are needle shaped. They are tall, can overcome cold condition and remain green. Okay. Number 3. They bear cones instead of flowers. Flowers नहीं होते उनमें. The male cones have pollen in them. The female cones bear seed. जो मेल कोन्स होते हैं वो उनमें पॉलन रहते हैं और जो फीमेल के होती हैं वो उनमें सीड्स रहते हैं. Coniferous trees like pine, fir, spruce and cedar do not shed their leaves. इनकी जो leaves होती हैं वो नहीं छूटती गिरती. There are called evergreen trees as they remain green throughout the year. ये पूरे साल green रहती हैं, so they are called evergreen trees. Marshes. Marshes have plenty of water and clay soil. जो marshes एरिया होता है they have plenty of water and clay soil. There is very little air in marshy soil as clay particles stick to each other. जो there is little air, वहाँ बहुत कम हवा रहती है. marshy soil as clay particles stick to और clay जो particles होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से stick होते हैं. So roots of plants growing in the marshes do not get enough air to breathe. जो ये होती हैं roots होती हैं plants growing in marshes, they do not get enough air to breathe to. Okay, the plants grow in marshes area, grow roots above the soil. Soil के ऊपर उसमें roots रहती हैं. So that they do not root and also get a lot of air to breathe. इसी के कारण उनको उनकी रूट्स ऊपर रहती हैं और वो गेट इनफ एयर टू ब्रेथ, उनको ब्रेथ के लिए इनफ एयर चाहिए होती है. मैनग्रोव ट्रीज आर grown in marshes as they have breathing roots ग्रोइंग अबव द सॉइल, ये देखिए ये जो सॉइल के ऊपर है. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. Roots are above the soil. Let's start plains. In the plains, the climate is moderate. What is the meaning of moderate climate? It is neither too hot nor cold. There is enough rainfall. Okay. वहाँ पे रेनफॉल भी इनफ होता है और जो क्लाइमेट है neither too hot and not too cold. Trees such as peepal, neem, banyan and alstronia are commonly found here. ठीक है. They shed their leaves in winter. In winter they shed their leaves to protect themselves from cold weather. अपने आप को cold weather से बचाने के लिए. New leaves appear in the spring season. Children, we live in plains, so in this area, which type of tree we can see? Such tree as deciduous trees, trees such as mango, shisham and teak grow in hot and damp region. They are evergreen trees. They are also evergreen trees. Mango, shisham, teak grow in hot and damp region. See picture of mango tree, guava tree, pipal tree and neem tree. Forest. Forests are thickly populated spaces with different varieties of plant. Forests are the place which is thickly populated. किससे? With different varieties of plants. Forest can have evergreen, deciduous and coniferous trees. They have trees, shrubs, climbers, creepers and herbs growing in them. फॉरेस्ट में सब कुछ है. ट्री, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climbers. Mosses and fungi are found growing on leaves. Forests also have a variety of animal and birds. Okay, grassland. Grassland are large area land covered with grass and wildflowers. Grassland में क्या होता है? Grass रहती है and wild flowers रहते हैं. The roots of the grasses and small plants make the soil rich and suitable for farming. The roots are fibrous and spread out under the soil, binding the particles together. Grassland do not get enough rainfall, so tall trees and bushes do not grow here. However, some varieties are seen grow here. Are there ग्रासलैंड में क्या है? ग्रास है, वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स हैं, रूट्स जो हैं, रूट्स ऑफ ग्रास एंड स्मॉल प्लांट्स मेक सॉइल रिच एंड सुटेबल फॉर फार्मिंग. फार्मिंग के लिए सुटेबल हैं. द रूट्स आर फाइबेरियस. फाइबेरियस रूट कौन सी होती है? जो फैली होती है. स्प्रेड आउट अंडर द सॉइल. सॉइल के नीचे वो फाइबेरियस रूट जो है वो फैली होती है. एंड देयर पार्टिकल्स, और उनके पार्टिकल्स. ग्रासलैंड डू नॉट गेट इनफ रेनफॉल. जो ग्रासलैंड होता है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश नहीं होती. सो टॉल ट्रीज एंड बुशेस डू नॉट ग्रो देयर. हाउएवर वैरायटी ऑफ आर ग्रीन सीन ग्रोइंग हेयर एंड देयर. इधर उधर रहते हैं. Okay, coastal region. The region that are near the sea coast receive high rainfall. In coastal areas, the area receive heavy rainfall and water is salty, and their water is salty. Coconut, rubber and paper are some plants that grow here. कौन कौन सा रहता है? कोकोनट, रबर एंड पेपर ट्री. ओके ओके, read this chapter 2 to 3 times. Do 1 page handwriting daily. You can do from here and draw mango tree and guava tree in your science copy. Okay, with proper heading and labeling. Okay, children. In next video, we will continue this chapter and you complete your work. Okay. Good day.